Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can clean the filter on your Dyson Airwrap. With your kit you will get this little cleaning thing here. If you've lost that, you can also just use an old toothbrush, but a clean toothbrush. So the filter is located just around here, and to take this off you can slide this down like so, and then it's actually magnetic, so you can open it up like that, you can hear it magnetically shut, and you can pass it over the cable. We want to use this, and first of all we want to clean all the way around here. So put it on here, bring it up to here, and then just like a toothbrush you can move it all the way around here and make sure that this mesh here is nice and clean. If you haven't got that, you can just use a toothbrush and do the same thing. And when that's nice and clean, this one is already pretty clean, then you can clean this bit here. You can wash this one if it's very dirty. If not, again, you can pass this over here and you can just nice and gently move it around the place. Don't use too much force, you don't want to crush this. Or use your toothbrush. In fact, you can see there is a fair bit of dust that's come down here. And basically that is it. You're going to lift this up here. It's going to go with the flat side towards the Airwrap, with the chamfered side going towards the plug. So lift it up here like so, put it on, and then it will only fit on here one way. You can actually see that we have a little dot here. Put the dot next to this light here. So if you try to put it on wrong, it's not going to go on. Just rotate it around and it magnetically pulls into place. So that's it. If you do that every now and then, you're going to keep this filter nice and clean, and hopefully your Airwrap will work for many years. Thanks for watching.